In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add nodes in Nuke's node graph. If you're new to a node-based workflow, getting comfortable with adding nodes quickly will speed up everything you do. Let's start with the fastest method. First, click anywhere inside the node graph to make sure it's active. You'll know it's active if the border highlights and your clicks are affecting the graph rather than another panel. Now press the Tab key on your keyboard. A search field appears. Start typing the name of the node you want, like blur, merge, or transform. As you type, you'll see a list filter in real time. Use your mouse or arrow keys to highlight the node you want, then press enter. The node appears in the node graph right where your cursor is. If nothing shows up, check that the node graph is selected and that you typed at least part of the correct node name. This method is ideal when you know exactly what you need. Next, let's look at the top menu. Along the top bar, you'll see categories like image, color, transform, and 3D. Click a category, then choose the node you want from the drop-down. As soon as you click, that node drops directly into the node graph. This approach is great when you're browsing and not entirely sure which tool fits your task. It also helps you discover related nodes in each category. The node will typically appear near your cursor, so place your cursor where you want the node to land before selecting it. Another way is by right-clicking directly in the node graph. Right-click anywhere in the empty space to open a context menu, choose Create Node, and then browse through the categories. This keeps your focus in the graph while still letting you explore the full list of tools. It's especially helpful if you prefer contextual menus or you're building a setup without taking your eyes off the node layout. Finally, use hotkeys for common nodes. Press R to create a read node, which is how you import media. Make sure the node graph is active before you press the key. The file browser opens immediately, and once you select your footage, the read node appears and is ready to connect. This is one of the quickest ways to start any composite. To wrap up, remember, activate the node graph first, then use Tab for quick searches, the top menu for browsing, right-click for contextual access, and hotkeys like R for speed. Practice each method so you can switch effortlessly depending on what you're doing.